The UK has a housing crisis. There is not enough affordable housing to meet demand. The government wants to deliver 1.5 million new homes by 2022 and to keep building around 300,000 new homes a year. But the reality is that home building rates are still nowhere near high enough and demand continues to outstrip supply. Housing is getting more expensive. More people have to rent because they can't afford to buy, and the waiting times for social housing are growing longer. So, what might be the problem? Could it be that the way homes are being built needs to change?
Certainly. Changing how we build from traditional bricks and mortar to using modern methods of construction holds one key to tackling the housing crisis. The house building sector prefers traditional building techniques, but it takes longer to finish a building, is prone to mistakes, and tends to contribute to quality problems. The construction industry has an aging workforce, and it's becoming more difficult to find the skilled labor needed when building using traditional techniques. The conventional design process is fragmented, different professionals are involved at different stages, and problems often come to light when construction starts. This frequently leads to delays as plans are reworked on site and design issues are rectified on the job. This all contributes to the housing crisis.
So, how can the house building sector address these problems? The industrial strategy emphasizes the need for a shift from conventional house building towards more innovative approaches if the housing crisis is to be tackled. The call for innovation in the housing sector is linked to the government's vision to transform construction into a sector that can build new homes in weeks and even days rather than months, that can deliver new buildings at a third of the cost, that can provide affordable, energy-efficient homes. Now, let's talk about off-site manufacturing and modular homes. Off-site manufacturing allows us to make a whole building or parts of it, like the roof, walls, floors, kitchens, and bathrooms in a factory. With the help of new technology, a complete building with everything fitted can now be manufactured in a factory and later transported to where it is needed.
In real-life housing projects, using off-site manufacturing to build modular homes has helped to shorten the overall time for construction by about a third, to reduce building costs by about a quarter, and to build housing that uses less energy, therefore bringing us closer to the goal of net zero carbon. The government is trying to encourage the use of off-site manufacturing to deliver affordable homes. Under a £38 million affordable housing scheme, the government requires local authorities to ensure that off-site manufacturing is used as the main approach for building 25% of all affordable housing. The government hopes to use this scheme as one of the ways that country can meet the target of building 1.5 million homes by 2022. However, there are still lingering negative perception of the UK's post-war prefab buildings, and housing customers in the UK still have a preference for traditionally built bricks and mortar homes. But modern modular homes are high quality, sustainable, and are attractive. Indeed, few people can tell that these homes have been built in a factory.
If we really want to tackle the housing crisis in the UK, we need to harness the benefits of off-site manufacturing. Modular builds are key to providing quality homes faster, with lower carbon emissions, so that the UK can meet the target of 300,000 new homes a year. So, whilst not every new home might arrive on a lorry, let's keep an open mind about modular housing and support its development in our local communities.